What's going on, everybody? Good afternoon. Hopefully everybody's enjoying the heat. Welcome back. All right, so a lot of people have a problem with this. You do it yourself. You're pretty good at basic brakes. You understand how to do both all-around calipers, wind-ins, press-ins, pin pad type calipers, whatever. All right, so a lot of people have the problem with this, the electronic parking brake. Some vehicles you can do a sequence inside from the button and the brake pedal and the key and put it in service maintenance mode. This is a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe H-Track with the 2.4 liter all-wheel drive. All right, listen, 2 wires in. You ain't got nothing to worry about. I'm gonna show you how to get this piston back in. You will be able to press it. Trust me, you'll be able to press it in. But you still have to wind in the inner sleeve on the piston first. Okay, so the wind-up screw, whatever the hell that part is inside, I don't know if they changed something when they added the electronic part, but I'm going to show you how to do it and not worry about your parking brakes getting all fucked up. All you need is even a charger that has 12 volts and some jumper wires, so you can use the wires from, like I did. I took the wires from my multimeter and just clipped them to the charger ends. All right, I put it on 2 amps. 2 amps. I'm not putting this thing 12 or fucking start power. That's probably a guaranteed way to fuck this motor up. Okay? Excuse my language. Everybody knows I got a trucker's mouth. Whatever. But, all right. So, I'm going to try out this tripod for a moment. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm about to show you. All right. All right, we are in. I think everybody can see me. Let's go up a little bit. Dun, 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 dun. Don't know if you can see me. Let's go into the dark. All right, here's your connector. Can you guys see me? I hope so. Here's your connector. Maybe I have to come down a little bit. All right. All right, so your connector right here, right? All right, I'm going to move the tripod for a moment, just so you can see. I can't see the damn screen because the tripod holder. Getting used to this shit first. Either way, all right, you see this? I'm going to show you the right way to get that out. Sometimes they come off nice and easy. Sometimes they don't. All right, sometimes they crack and break. Don't freak out if it does. These things clip on pretty easy. All right, you hear that click? Nothing broke. That was it. A lot of people hear that click and they assume they broke the thing, and then they break it actually afterwards by ripping it and breaking it off. And all they had to do was wiggle and pull up. Okay, so there's 2 prongs in here. Okay, 12 volts, 2 prongs. This could work for some Audis. This could work for certain vehicles that don't have the maintenance mode into the car. All right, so positive, negative. Doesn't matter which way you go, because one way is just going to put the parking brake on. One way is going to retract it. Okay, so we're going to find out which way is on. I'm going to assume that is backwards. So let's verify to make sure we have it tightened first. You'll hear it when it does. Oh, there it goes. It tightened up. Brakes won't move. All right. So put the positive on the right pin, put this on the left pin. I don't know if that's going to be the same for every electric motor. Parking brake setup, the EPB. Okay. But what I'm going to do here is take this. I'll show you in a minute. See, well, as you do this, it's going to sound like the motor is on. Okay. But when you look at the piston, it's not doing anything. Yo, just wait. When it gets all the way down there, it's going to spin. Okay? So, even though it hasn't bottomed out yet, I'm going to show you. See, it looks like it didn't do anything, right? But now, you can press this piston right back in for the most part. Okay? You may have to go a little farther. Obviously, if you see the piston start spinning, you better stop moving that parking brake, because that means that's it. You bottomed out. Okay? So, I'm just about there. I'm going to give it a little bit more. Until it touches and goes to spin one little... That's it. See, it spun. That's it. Put a screwdriver in there. Press all the way back in. Bada boom, bada bing. And yes, these rubber boots on these damn things are annoying. They get air pockets in them. So aggravated. So please try to deal with that before you put your new pads on there. We're doing new rotors, new pads. As you can see, I'm going to show you the piston is all the way in. Now I have enough room to put brand new brake pads and rotor on. Hope this helps everybody on the 2019 Hyundais. Don't know how all of them are like this or not. But if you have the EPB, electronic parking brake, and no service mode built into the car without using an expensive scanner like Snap-on and Autel and other ones, you can do this. But make sure you have the 2 prongs in that plug. 2 prongs, 2 wires. It's not rocket science. It's 12 volts, right? Battery one way, goes one way. Turn the battery around the other way, goes the other way. Simple. All right, guys. This is Grease Junkie Steve. I'm out. Hope everybody enjoys their day. Looks like I'm going to get quite a bit of tan on my Mr. Clean style head. Regret cutting all my hair off. But you guys probably get a laugh out of it. All right. Peace.